Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your draft story on Instagram. So first thing, you need to go to the draft story. How to do that is you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're on your Instagram profile, at the top right you can see the plus button. Click on that. Then you can click on the third option where it says story to go inside story. And once you're inside story, as you guys can see right beside my camera icon, it says drafts 1, which is basically my draft video. So I can click on the draft video and it's going to show me the drafts video. Now over here I only have one draft video, that's why it's showing me only one. But if you have multiple, it's going to show you multiple. Now in order to delete it, what you need to do is you can see at the top right the select button. Click on select and then you can see a circle appears right above the draft video. You want to click on that circle. Once you click on the circle, it's going to show you a tick mark and the draft is going to be highlighted. Once you do that, at the bottom you can see delete 1. So I have only selected one draft, that's why it's showing me delete 1. If I had selected 2, 3, it was going to show me delete 2, 3. So don't worry about that number. You will see the delete button. Just click on delete and then click on delete and your draft video will be deleted just like this. And you need to remember, once you delete your draft on your Instagram, you cannot recover it again. So before deleting your draft, if you want it for future use or if you have some important information inside it, make sure to download it or back it up so you guys don't have to worry about it. But that's how we guys can delete draft story on Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.